Well students, in each standard we had used these tools to do the jobs. Now that you are in 9th, let's go through them once again and get familiar with the tools. Let us start with the marking and measuring tools. Steel ruler, tri-square, marking gauge. Out of the cutting tools, we start with the saw, crosscut saw, Tenon saw, hacksaw. Then we have the chisels, firmer chisel, Mortise chisel, wooden mallet, claw hammer, iron jack plane, block plane, pincer, wooden rasp, combination stone, the holding tools, C-clamp, and the carpenter's bench vise.